Welcome to another exciting video. I am Subha Malik, and in this video we will be looking at KDP Income Report for the month of November 2020. So we will be looking at expenses here, then income, and then net income, total income minus expenses for the month of November 2020. So before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get started. So here we are in the KDP report section, and we will be looking at one by one daily sales for the month of November. So let's just sort it out by November 1st through November 30th, and then hit apply. So here we can see November was very good month for me. It started very small, although 6 units, then 21, and then 8. That was very good day. 27 units, 19 on November 5, 23 units, again 14 units on November 7, 13 units, 15 again, 20 units, another good day on November 10, 19 units, 16 units, 22 units on November 13, 22 again, 11, 15, 17, 17 again, 13 units, 11 on November 20, 8, that was low day, and 12 units, and another good day on November 3rd, 23rd, 26 units. Here comes the expanded distribution day, 9 units from paperback and 5 units from distribution paid units, and 15 units again, where a very similar day as November 1st, 6 units on November 26. That is the very profitable and very good day. November 27, 38 units, 15, 16, and 13. So overall we had, that is for current month, 65 units. And now let's just sort it by November, and November 30th, apply, and here we go. 492 units between November 1st to November 30, and here is the graph which says things were pretty consistent between 16 to 24 units, between 16, above 16 sometimes. And here next is the final thing, that is the exciting one, and that is income. This is for current month, December 1 to December 5. Actually it says 6, it is actually 5. So this is the current month. Now look at last month. So $881.15 $881.15 between November 1 and November 30th, and that is almost $550 more than November 2019. So that is almost a 200% rise. I don't know exactly, from November 2019. So that is very good month for me, and very good month of the quarter 4 for 2020. So now let's look at the expenses and have an actual figure of net income. So now look at the net income. We will just add this 881 and 15 in here in total income. 81.15, and now look at the expenses. Subscription cost is $31. That includes Creative Fabrica and Adobe Photoshop. Now we will be looking at AM AMS US. So during the last month I spent $108.37, which brought me sales of $372.98 with then a cost of 29.06. that is a bit higher than previous month of October and September, but nonetheless I was making sales, so I kept running my ads. So 108.37, this is the ad cost, 108.37. Now we will be looking at Amazon UK marketplace. I spent £31.45. That counts for $42.27, $42.27 and $42.27. So now we have a clear figure of this is total expenses 181.64. that is total income 881.15, and that is net income 699, almost $700. so that is almost $200 more than the September income. Almost September was $685, I think, and let's have a look. 881 almost minus 685, so almost $200 more than October, and it is almost double as compared to 2019. So I am quite happy with these results, and I am also looking for very good income during the month of December. And I also wish you best of luck, all you guys, to have a good Q4 and good December this year 2020. And this is all from me today. If we want to look at the individual books, here you can see my best-selling books keeps me bringing in consistently income, and this month, during the month of November, it brought me $495. My second best-selling books brought me $96, third one $88, and fourth is $31. Next comes 25, then 14, 12, 8, and here we go 8 again, 8, and the other books brought me $92, like these four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I manage to create 5 more books like these, then my income would be double. So what this means is you need to focus on quality. Just create best books and put work in it, and you will be making consistent sales throughout the year. That is all from me today. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.